Hello, YouTube friends. There's not going to be a video today. Maybe not tomorrow because I'm working with day 10 of being congested and sneezing. I was trying to let my body do its thing, work its magic. It's not going away. As I said, it's on day 10. Stopped at Walmart today and got some medicine because it's just not going away. So, I've been miserable. I've been just working and then coming home, showering, and laying down in bed because I don't feel good. So, I haven't had time this week to edit any videos for you guys, and I'm sorry. There will be more coming, just not today, because I'm a mess here. So, but I love you today. Happy hump day, and go out and seize the day and kick its ass. Bye, guys.